Okay, here's my magic trick that I'm about to do to you. It's a normal deck. Okay, don't know if you can see this right now. It's a normal deck. Okay? Now, tell me when to stop. Just anytime. I guess right there. That's good, I guess. Just look at that. Okay? You got it? I'll just, I guess, put it somewhere. Right here. Go. Now I'm going to flip it over. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just flipped over your card.